So question 12 here on the Unit 6 example question set simply asks, what transformation could change f of x equals 1 over x plus 2 to, this should say f of x, no, it should not say f of x, it should say like g of x equals 7 over x plus 2. It's a great question. And the simplest way I know to do this is to write out what a, c, and d are for both of these, and then figure out what changed, which value changed. And then, of course, each of these controls a different transformation of the equation, and then we can figure out what changed and how, and then interpret that. So in this first one, looks like we have an a value of 1, a c value of -2, and there doesn't seem to be a d value tacked onto the end, so I'm going to put 0 for that. Then for this other one, we have an a value of 7, we have a c value of -2, and there is no d on the end of this, so we'll call it 0 again. So I'm looking here, the d's are the same, so there's no change there. The c's are the same, there is no change there. But it looks like my a went from 1 to 7. So a controls the vertical stretch and the reflection over the x-axis. If we had gone from positive to negative, then our answer would be reflection over the x-axis. But that didn't happen. Instead, we went from an a value of 1 to 7. Now, a uses multiplication. C and D, those would use addition or subtraction. You would figure out how much you added or subtracted, and then based on whether it was C or D, you would decide, did that move me left or right, or if it was D, up or down. We're not dealing with that. We're dealing with A. We didn't change signs, so it's not a reflection, but instead we went from 1 to 7. So we multiplied 1 by 7 to get to 7. That means that's a vertical stretch by 7. So what transformation could change f of x to g of x? A vertical stretch by 7.